Hello students, let us continue the session on revision of quadratic equations. We were solving long answer type question. We had solved the first question. Let us solve the second question now. The question is to solve for x. They have given the equation in which the denominators are containing the variable. Earlier, when these type of questions were there, we had taken LCM of the denominators. So let me take the LCM of denominators in the left hand side. It will be the product x plus 1 into x plus 2, and the numerator will be x plus 2 plus 2 multiplied to x plus 1 will become 2x plus 2, which is equal to 4 divided by x plus 4. Let us further simplify. It becomes 3x plus 4 divided by the product will be x square plus x plus 2x, which becomes 3x. So x square plus 3x plus 2, which is equal to 4 divided by x plus 4. Now it has to be cross multiplied. We get 3x plus 4 multiplied to x plus 4, which is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 8. Now let us multiply these two. It becomes 3 times x square plus 16 times x plus 16, which is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 8. Now let us take to one side. It becomes x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have to find the root for this equation. We have to get a number, so that two numbers, so that their sum is -4 and the product is -8. It is not possible to have such number like that. So let me think of using Sridharacharya's formula. So x will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us substitute. We will be getting x as minus b, which is negative of -4, plus or minus root of -4 square minus 4 times a value is 1, c value is minus 8, divided by 2 times of 1, because the a value is 1. Now let us substitute and let's simplify. It becomes positive 4 plus or minus root of this will be 16, minus of minus will be positive 32 divided by 2. It is nothing but 4 plus or minus root of 48 divided by 2. 48 can be written as 16 times 3, so that x becomes 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 divided by 2. From this, I can conclude the value of x as 2 plus 2 root 3 or 2 minus 2 root 3. These are the roots. Question 3. Find x in terms of a, b and c. Here again, in the denominator we have got the variables as we have done earlier. Let us take the LCM. After taking the LCM, we need to do cross multiplication. So the LCM here is the product of x minus a and x minus b. So a has to be multiplied with x minus b, plus b has to be multiplied with x minus a divided by x minus a into x minus b equal to 2c divided by x minus c. Let me further cross multiply, so that this becomes x minus b times x minus c plus b into x minus a times x minus c, which is equal to 2c multiplied to x minus a into x minus b. Let us further simplify. Here we have to multiply these two, then multiply with the a. I'll write directly a times x square minus ab times x minus ac times x plus bx square minus bax minus bcx plus abc equal to 2cx square minus 2cx b minus 2cxa plus 2abc. Let me take all the terms to the one side. I will be getting ax square plus bx square minus 2cx square, then minus abx minus acx minus bax minus bcx plus 2cbx plus 2 times acx. These negative terms will become positive, which is equal to 0. This can be written as x square times a plus b minus 2c. I have taken x square common here, minus I'll take plus x common, so that it becomes minus 2 times ab plus ac plus bc equal to 0. In this we don't have a constant term here. Because let me show it using the other ink. Here we had ABC and here there has to be one more ABC. I made a mistake here, one more ABC. The sum is 2ABC and this 2ABC they get cancelled. Therefore x value is negative of AC plus BC minus 2AB divided by A plus B minus 2C. Question 4. Solve for x. The equation is 3 by x plus 1 plus 4 by x minus 1 equal to 29 by 4x minus 1. Here, as we had done earlier, we shall take the LCM and we shall cross multiply. This would become 3 times x minus 1 plus 4 times x plus 1 divided by the product will be x square minus 1. I am using a plus b into a minus b. Right hand side will be as it is 4x minus 1. Now upon simplification we get 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 equal to 29 divided by 4x minus 1. Now you do cross multiplication. We will get 28 times x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 1 equal to 29 times of x square minus 29. On further simplification, we get the equation as x square minus 28 plus 3x equal to 0. For this, the sum here is positive 3 and the product here is negative 28. We know 7 4 times. If you take 7 multiplied to minus 4 and 7 added to minus 4, we would get the required sum and the product. Therefore plus 7x minus 4x plus 3x equal to 0. In the first two terms, I'll take x common, x plus 7 minus 1 common. This will be 28 constant term. So minus 4 common, x plus 7 equal to 0. I'll continue here. X plus 7 is common into x minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to negative 7 or positive 4. These are the roots. Here we have a vertex problem, very important. Two pipes running together to can fill a tank in 1/9 minutes. If one pipe takes 5 minutes more than the other to fill the tank, find the time taken by each pipe would fill the tank separately. So let me consider, let time taken by pipe. There are two pipes, let me mention as pipe A and pipe B. Let pipe A be x minutes and time taken by pipe B be y minutes. Here this y I can write as x plus 5 minutes. What's the reason? The reason is they have given if one pipe takes 5 minutes more than the other, so I have taken x plus 5 minutes. So from this I can get in 1 minute pipe A can fill 1 by x of tank. Same way, in 1 minute pipe B will fill 1 by x plus 5 of tank. So in 1 minute pipes A and B together will fill 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 of the tank. According to the question, they fill in 1/9 minutes. So let me consider now, according to the condition, by the condition 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 will be equal to, the reciprocal should be considered here. What is 11/1/9? 11/1/9 is 100/9. In 1 minute it would fill 9/100 of the tank. So I have to consider here 9/100. Hope you have understood this. This is the main key point for solving this question. So let me continue the different colors here. Upon simplifying, we have to take the LCM. LCM will be the product, which will be equal to 9/100. Now cross multiply, it is 200 plus 200x plus 500 equal to 9x square plus 45x. Further, the equation can be written as 9x square minus 155x minus 500 equal to 0. Here the sum and the product we have to choose. Here the sum is negative 155 and the product is 9 times of minus 500, which is minus 450. We have to find two numbers. I have solved it, and the number we obtain is 180, which is negative 180 plus 25 minus 180 into 25 would give the sum and the product. Therefore, the given equation is 9x square minus the middle term is split as minus 180x plus 25x minus 500 equal to 0. Group them, we get 9x common, x minus 20 plus 25 common, x minus 20 equal to 0. So x value will get it as positive 20 or negative 25 by 9. The time taken will not be negative, therefore x should be considered as positive 20 minutes. That is for pipe A. For pipe B, it is x plus 5, which is 25 minutes for pipe B. These are the time taken. Question number 6. In the sixth question, the time taken by a person to cover 150 km is 2.5 hours more than the time taken in the return journey. If he returned at the speed of 10 km per hour, more than the speed while going, find the speed per hour in each direction. Let me consider the speed while going as x km per hour. While returning, 10 km per hour should be added. So let the speed while going be x km per hour. So speed while returning will be x plus 10 km per hour. According to the question, the speed should be considered now. Along with the distance, they have given the distance as 150. So the time taken is 2.5 hours more. So the difference in the time taken is 2.5 hours. So time taken is speed upon the distance upon the speed minus 150 divided by x plus 10. The differences in the time is 2.5 hours, which is nothing but 5 by 2. This has to be simplified. Let me take the LCM. We will be getting divided by x into x plus 10 equal to 5 by 2. Here upon simplification, 150 will get cancelled. 150 multiplied to 10 will be 1500. Then it has to be simplified. Let me write it here. We get the equation as x square plus 10x minus 600 equal to 0. You can cross check it. Upon simplification, we would get this equation. Let's further simplify. We will get x plus 30 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So x value is 20. We should not consider negative 30 because speed can't be negative here. Therefore, the speed while going is 20 km per hour and speed while returning is 30 km per hour. This is how it has to be solved. I have written the answer directly. I have directly written this equation, and further directly I have written this. You can try this You have to get positive 20 and negative 30. You have to reject negative 30. Question 7. Question 7 is, the denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator if the sum of the fractions and its reciprocal is 216 by 21. Find the fraction. Let me consider, let the numerator be x. This implies fraction would be x upon 2x plus 1, 1 more than twice, so it is x upon 2x plus 1. According to the question, we have x upon 2x plus 1 plus reciprocal 2x plus 1 divided by x equal to 216 by 21. Upon simplifying, we would get the improper fraction as 58 by 21. So it is 58 by 21. This equation has to be simplified. The product you have to consider as the LCM. So x into x should be multiplied, it becomes x square. 2x plus 1 should be multiplied to 2x plus 1. So it is 2x plus 1 whole square. Upon cross multiplication, I'll get 21 times of x square added to 2x plus 1 whole square equal to 58 times of the product is 2x square plus x. Further you simplify, you will get the equation as 21x square plus 4 multiplied to 21 is 84x square plus 1 multiplied to 21 is 21. 2ab is 4x multiplied to 21, which is 84x equal to 116x square plus 58x. Simplify, (21) added to 85 will be 105. 105 subtracted from 116, we get it as 11x square. Same way, we get 26x minus 21 equal to 0. So let me rewrite here. The equation obtained is 11x square minus 26x minus 21 equal to 0. I will leave it at this stage. You simplify this equation, probably you will get the value of x as 3. Please try this. Question number 8. The perimeter of a right triangle is 60 centimeter. Its hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Let me consider a triangle. Say it is a right-angled triangle. Here the hypotenuse is given as 25 centimeter. Other two sides are not known. Let me write this as A and B. Let this be C. They have given the perimeter, the sum of three sides is 60 centimeter and one of the side is 25 centimeter, which is hypotenuse. Therefore, sum of the other two sides will be 60 minus 25, nothing but 35 centimeter. As per the Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, we have a square plus b square equal to c square, which is 25 square. Let me use a plus b whole square, which will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a plus b is 35, so 35 square will be equal to a square plus b square, which is 625 plus 2ab. This 35 square is 1225 minus 625 equal to 2ab. So we will get AB value as half of 600, which is equal to 300. Here area of triangle is half base into height. In this case it is half AB. So we have found AB value. So half AB is half multiplied to 300, which is 150 centimeter square. Let us solve one more question before winding up the session. We had solved similar type of question. There is one more question given here. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hours 36 minutes. The tap of larger diameter takes 8 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank separately. Let me consider the tap with a smaller diameter will take the time as x hours, and the tap of the larger one would take 8 hours less than the time taken, so it is x minus 8. So let me write it here. Let the tap with smaller diameter fills the tank in x hours. Then other tap, which is a larger diameter, fills the tank in x minus 8 hours. This is clear to you? Now in 1 hour, small tap will fill 1 by x of the tank. In 1 hour, large tap will fill 1 by x minus 8 of the tank. Thus, both tap will fill 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 8 of tank in 1 hour. They have given that 9 hours 36 minutes are required to fill the tank, which is nothing but 9 should be added to 36 by 60. We'll get in terms of hours 48 by 3. So 48 by 5. This implies the equation would become 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 8 equal to, the reciprocal is 5 by 48. This equation we need to simplify. I'll leave it for you to try, and let me give you the answer. You must get it as 24 hours. You will try this. That's all for today's session. Thank you.